Hello everyone, I Shilpa Sharma from St. Thomas English Medium School, and today's subject is General Knowledge and Standard 5. Today's chapter name is Plants and Animals and page number is 13. So let's begin. So in our textbook there is a first statement: octopuses have human-like eyes. When in danger, they squirt a cloud of blue-black ink, which helps them to hide and escape from their enemies. First of all, this statement is totally true. Uh, we are talking about the common eye and that similar eye. Why? I already gave a picture in the corner. As you can see, there are so many common things in a human and octopus eye structure. First, similar thing is photoreceptor eye cell, then ciliary muscle, then lens and eric, then nerves fibers. And as you can see, the eye size, eyeball size are also same. And octopuses are the most complex animal. Human and octopus camera eyes have very similar morphology. Essentially, the whole gene set need to make this complex structure was already selected in the common ancestor of the bilaterians long before the camera eyes appeared. In short, the octopus eye structure, the eye of an camera variety. The human eye is categorized the same way. Okay, so that is why the structure of eyeballs are same of the octopus and humans. In our textbook, next statement is orangutans and dolphins are most least intelligent creatures in the world. And this statement is totally false because orangutans are most intelligent primates. They use a variety of sophisticated tools and construct elaborate sleeping nests each night from branches and foliage. Okay, and according to the experiments suggest they can track displacement of object both visible and hidden. In addition, Zoo Atlanta has touch screen computer on which orangutans play games. So if they can operate computers by their own and they can displacement of object, either it's a visible or not. So that is why they are the most intelligent creature. Next, in this they are talking about dolphin also. So dolphins are extraordinary intelligent animal who also display culture. Okay, dolphins have several highly developed form of communication. They have signature whistle which allows other individual to recognize them. Then dolphins, this creature can communicate and cooperate with human beings. They understand languages also and they pass along their knowledge to their young ones also. So they are able to teach such things to their young ones also. So that is why dolphins are extraordinary intelligent. This statement is false that orangutans and dolphins are among the least intelligent creatures in the world. Our next statement: a seahorse has a suit of armor to protect it from its enemies, and this statement is true. First of all, seahorses are fascinating examples of bony fish. They have unique body morphology with a horse-shaped and head, large eyes, curved trunk. In addition, they have a suit of armor which protects them from other animals, and the suit is very strong, which makes harder for predators to eat them. And by using the armor suit, they protect themselves from enemies. Our next statement is cockroaches cannot survive underwater, and this statement is totally false because they only die because without of a mouth. Only a cockroach can hold its breath for 40 minutes and can even survive being submerged underwater for half an hour. They hold their breath often to help regulate their loss of water, and they survive below the surface of an water. Okay, so this statement is totally false. They can survive underwater also. So our next statement is blue whales have the blue whales have the largest eyes among animals, each measuring 16 inches across, and this statement is totally false. The blue whale is found along or in a small group in all oceans, but population in the southern hemisphere are much larger. A whale's eye is actually not small when compared to eyeball of other animals, but for the whale size it is disproportionate. An eyeball of size of a grapefruit on average seems large. However, you put a grapefruit next to a 10-story building which is about as high as a blue whale is long. You can see how the blue whale's eye seems small compared to its body. A whale's eye is 6 inches across. Our next statement is elephants cannot jump, and this statement is totally true. Not because of the weight of elephant. The reason is the bones in elephants' legs are all pointed downwards, which means they don't have the spring required to push off the ground. That is why elephants cannot jump, but they are very fast in running. Our next statement is the great Indian bustard found in India and Pakistan is an endangered species. The bird feeds on small snakes, lizards, scorpions, wheat, millet, and groundnuts. So why they are endangered? Because of the reason Great Indian Bustard, because of lack of protection and rampant hunting. That is why this species is endangered. Our next statement is in the textbook at 188 decibels, the trumpet of an elephant is the loudest sound produced by an animal. This statement is totally false. Decibel is a unit used to measure the intensity of a sound. So when we want to see the intensity of a sound, we use decibel. Okay. The howler monkey has the loudest sound of all land animals in the world. This amazing monkey inhabits the forest of Central and South America. Okay. At the peak, monkey can produce sounds that reach 140 decibels and can be heard from a distance of 3 miles. See, elephants' distance is 6 miles, but decibel is only 117, and this howler's monkey's decibel is 140. That is why howler monkeys is the loudest animal on land. Our next is 5 out of every 10 living things live in the ocean, and this statement is totally wrong because some experts estimate that 9 out of every 10 living things live in the ocean, because the more living things are is under the water, not on the land. So count is more in the ocean. Next is Our next statement is hermit crabs wear empty mollusk cells for protection. When they outgrow these cells, they grow cells of their own, and this statement is totally false. They also carry cells on their back like snails, but snails have their own, not hermit. Hermit crabs use whatever they found in the sea. As you can see in this picture, this crab is carrying a broken toy on his back. So they are used to use whatever they found in the ocean or at the seashore. Our next statement is about the bones of a pigeon weigh less than its feathers, and this statement is true. Their bones are hollow, so they are very light, and whenever they fly, that air passes through that hollows, and they manage in the air for so long. So I hope so you understood this chapter. Please listen very carefully and do it. The rather this statement is false or true in your textbook. Thank you.